Hey, so for math today, I thought it would be a great fun to get into the kitchen because obviously you're home anyways, so this will be pretty easy for you. You might need to go to the store to get some things, but it will be still lots of fun. So what I'm going to have you guys work on today is, oh, I wish I could taste some of these things, but I'm not going to be able to taste them, I know, because we're separated, but at least you'll be able to enjoy them at home. Maybe send me some pictures of your delicious bread that you made, okay? All right, so today, yep, I gave it away. Miss Marissa can't keep a secret, I guess. I want you to make pumpkin nut bread. Okay, so it says a delicious activity to do with you in the it says in the fall. Obviously, we're in the spring here in Oman, but still fun. Pumpkin nut bread recipe that makes a wonderful project. Okay, you can challenge as fifth grader, but you know what? I think if you were a fifth grader, you probably could do it on your own. But I guess if you're younger, you need mom and dad to help you. Okay, so this recipe makes 2 loaves of pumpkin nut bread. And it does say first to fifth grade, so it will work for you guys. So you're going to need 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter or margarine. So we didn't talk about measurement this a whole lot this semester, but cup is going to be in American standard measurement. So, but I think you can get cups here in Oman, or you can go to ConvertIt online. Okay, all right. So 3 cups of sugar, eggs, vanilla, packed pumpkin. Now I know here in Oman it's really hard to find packed pumpkin. You can use natural pumpkin, or something that I've used in the past are the sweet potatoes or the yams that are in cans. Those are really good. So you just mash them all up and make them soft, and then you can cook it like that. Flour, salt, baking soda powder, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, chopped walnuts, and golden raisins. Or you can use dark ones. It depends on your taste. If you like the green raisins, you can use those. If you like the grape raisins, you can use those. Okay, so it'll tell you how to mix and change it. And again, this is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So you're going to have to find out, with probably help with mom and dad, how can you change that to Celsius, since we are working with Celsius here in Oman. Okay, so it looks like, oh, there's some other yummy recipes here, but I think this looks delicious. I haven't had my smoothie yet this morning, so I'm kind of hungry. But anyway, so this is what I'm having you do for math. Really fun. And so then your activity would be, just if you can take some quick pictures of your beautiful pumpkin bread. And anything you send me, as long as it's okay with mom and dad, just tell me what, yes or no. Um, uh, but I would love to put it on my website because I will be doing that this summer, and I would love to share some of your work with people that want to learn like you. Okay, so that's the end of this presentation. It's a really short one, and that's all I'm going to have you do for math today. So I hope you have fun with that, and I will put that also on the Google Classroom. Okay, so have a great day, boys and girls. Enjoy your Thursday and have a happy weekend.